Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Binance account in 2025. So first of all, you will have to simply launch your Binance application. Now, once you have successfully signed up with the help of your email address, phone number and your password, in the second step, you will have to complete your verification. So on the home page, it will show you that your account is in the second step where you will have to verify your identity. Now you need to tap on the verify identity option and as per your country, it will redirect you on this page. Now once you are on this page, you will have to simply select your country of residence, and after selecting your country, it will show you how many steps you need to follow in order to verify your identity. So as per my country, it is showing me that I will have to complete my verification in 3 steps, where in the first step I will have to provide the personal details, then my government issued ID, and after that you will have to provide the liveness check. So here you need to press continue in the bottom. Now you will have to again select your residence, and again you need to select your nationality. Then you need to provide your ID card number. So on your document there will be a number, so you will have to provide that. So the steps may vary from country to country. So in your country, whichever method you are going to choose, you will have to provide the details of that particular ID, and you will have to follow along with the further steps. Then you just have to simply complete this verification process and you will have to submit your application. Once your application is completed successfully, you will get an email from Binance service, and they will tell you that your account is now approved and now you can use your Binance account for deposits and withdrawals. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.